What is good, everybody? I am about to show you how to make a amazing breakfast burrito. I am talking bacon. I'm talking about scrambled eggs well seasoned up, potatoes, onions, green bell peppers, and don't forget the cheddar cheese wrapped up in that burrito. Come on now, I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So to begin, I have me some baby potatoes that I am about to chop up. I probably have a little more than I actually need, but it is all good. And whatever kind of potatoes you have on hand, it will do. Go ahead and chop them up and put them to the side. Now we're gonna move on to that green bell pepper. I'm gonna chop off the top and then slice this in half. We're only gonna be using about half of this green bell pepper. I'll save the other half and break this one down. Go ahead and chop it up into tiny pieces just like so. Once we have that all chopped up, we got about, I would say, half of a small size onion. After we're done with this green bell pepper, we're gonna chop that up as well, just like so. Set them to the side, and we are gonna start sizzling up that good old bacon. Now tell me, who does not like the smell of bacon sizzling in the morning? Guys, you gotta love it, guys. Having that good old bacon aroma in the air. Man, I need some bacon scented candles or something. I'm trying to tell you. Go ahead and let the bacon do its thing. You kind of cook it to how you like it. I know some people like their bacon extra crispy, and that is not me. So cook it how you like it. Once that's all said and done, go ahead and put it on a napkin to drain off all that excess bacon fat. And we are going to use that same pan and that same bacon fat, and we are going to toss in our potatoes. Go ahead and get your potatoes in there and let them do their thing. And guys, make sure to have your potatoes chopped down to a nice size, because you know it might take a little bit of time if they are too big. Mine's a borderline too big, but we got away with it. You're gonna let them do their thing for a good little while before we add on the additional ingredients. You're gonna let it go for a good little minute. We are gonna season them up proper with my little all-purpose seasoning. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to get that together. Go ahead and be generous, be very heavy-handed and deliberate when you seasoning up these potatoes, guys. After letting that go for a good little while, we are ready to reintroduce our green bell peppers as well as the onion. Go ahead and get that in there. Get them flavors talking to one another, getting well acquainted. Go ahead and let them do their thing for a little bit of while. Get those onions well translucent and whatnot. And let me know down in the comments below, would you like to see more breakfast recipes? I'm thinking about doing this as a regular thing. I'm still gonna do my dinner recipes, but I'm thinking in like the morning time, I upload a breakfast recipe here and there. And then in the evening, you'll still get your dinner recipes. Let me know if you like that. So here we're just chopping up the bacon, and I'm gonna go ahead and toss it in a bowl along with our potatoes, onions, and green bell peppers. We're gonna give that a nice little mix just like so. And we are going to move on to our scrambled eggs. In a second here, you'll see I have a bowl with about 4 eggs in it. And we are gonna season these eggs up proper, just like we always do. You know, everything gotta be seasoned up. And again, we are using my little all-purpose seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. Go ahead and get a fork and start whipping up these eggs just like so. Moving on, I got a pan nice and hot with a little bit of oil. Go ahead and get your eggs in there and let them do their thing. Let them cook up, scramble them up just like so. Cook them how you like them. Some people like their scrambled eggs a little on the runny side. Not me, but go ahead and cook your eggs how you like them. I like mine's on a little more of the well done side, man. Let me know how you like your eggs. You like your eggs runny? You like them well done? Let me know. So once that's all said and done, go ahead and grab your tortillas to start this burrito. Go ahead and lay down some cheese. I'm using some mild cheddar. Go ahead and lay that down. Go ahead and lay down some of that good old scrambled eggs. Now we're gonna grab our little mix with our bacon, our potatoes, green bell pepper, onion, and whatnot. Go ahead and lay that on there as well. And now it's time to roll that burrito up. I am no burrito expert, but I think I did okay. Go ahead and roll it up just like so. This recipe here made about, I would say, 3 nice sized burritos. If you want to make more, you could kind of double up, triple up the recipe, whatever you got to do. But this is about 3 in total. And once we're done rolling up our burritos, I'm going to get a pan nice and hot. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in that pan and I'm gonna get my burrito sizzling. Gotta get a nice beautiful brown crust on both of the sides of these burritos. You know what I'm talking about? Go ahead and let them do their thing on each side. You know what I mean? I probably could have lowered the temperature a little bit to get more of a cheesy melt, but it is all good. Ain't no pressure. This is still delicious. You know what I mean? Came out nice and beautiful. You see what I'm talking about in a little bit. I go ahead and slice it open. I'm like, where the cheese at? Cheese ain't fully melt. Probably because I had the pan a little too hot. And my burritos got a little bit too crispy too quickly. But you could just solve that by just lowering the temperature slightly. I would say to about maybe a medium high-ish. Somewhere around there where, you know, your burritos won't brown as fast and they'll allow time for the cheese to melt, whatnot. But these things are still delicious, still out of this world. Awesome breakfast burritos with a side of OJ. You know how we do, guys. This is such a simple little recipe, but so delicious, and I cannot wait for you to try this at your next breakfast. Let me know how you like it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Deuces. Hey, notification squad, where you at? Let me know down in the comments.